Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to install Zoom and set up for virtual classes on a laptop or computer. So open up your web browser, go to a search engine such as Google and type in Zoom Download Center. It should come up as one of the top results. The website will then open and click download. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the free software. You do not need to register for an account or sign up. You now need to book a class using Gymcatch. I have done a separate tutorial on this and I will link that in the comment section below. Once you have booked onto a class, you will receive a link in an email. Click on the link to access the class. It will then ask permission to open the Zoom software on your computer. Click Allow. Your computer will then open the software and connect to the Zoom class. A dialog box will now pop up. You have to select Join with Computer Audio to hear any audio in the class. I'm now going to make the window full screen. Your computer may also ask for certain permissions to access things such as your microphone or camera if you have them inbuilt. Let's look at some of the important controls. You can switch your camera on and off using Stop Camera at the bottom of the screen. If your internet is struggling or buffering, I advise turning off your camera to improve performance. Let's come along and look at the audio controls. You can unmute and mute your microphone during the class. Please make sure your microphone is muted. Let's now look at the display controls. You want it to be set on speaker view. So come up to the top right hand corner and click on speaker view, and then you should see a larger image of the live class. Finally, to exit a class, go to the bottom, press Leave Meeting and confirm. If you accidentally leave during a class, all you need to do is go back to that link in the original email, click on it, and it should take you back into the class. Now it's time to get ready for a class. Clear away any trip hazards such as chocolate biscuits, washing, push any furniture you can to the side to make a nice big dance floor. For a better audio experience, consider using wireless headphones, or you could connect to an external speaker for better sound quality. My name is Matt and I used to be fat, so I'm only... If you find the video is buffering a lot during a live stream, check if anyone else is streaming anything on the internet like video or music or gaming and ask them to stop. All that's left to do is get changed and ready for your class. If you have any questions or need any more help, do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I look forward to seeing you at a virtual class soon.